everyone, how are you doing today? I have an exciting video for you today. Guess what I did? You will never guess. But by the title, I guess you would guess. Yes, I went thrift shopping. It is Sonia Take 247, and this time around, I can do what I want to do. That's right. So I'm so excited. Okay, here we go. So I put on my mask. I put on my gloves. I was tired of being in the house, and I'm going to get back to what I love to do. Do you check my nails out? Yeah. I did my nails too, so you probably noticed that. Yeah. It was exciting. I did it with the gel nails, so I'm trying that out for the first time. Everybody, don't look too close, but I'm going to just flash it so it can look kind of cute. But anyway, I went thrift shopping, and I got some great pieces that I want you to see. I love thrift shopping. I love it because I can take a piece, I can change that piece, and it's a one of a kind. And when I walk into my house, I don't want my house to look like anyone else's house. I want my house to look like the house I want to live in. I don't mind inviting guests in. So your house should be a place of beauty that you feel comfortable in. So anyway, that's my reason. I can give you a million. So that's my reason for going to the thrift store. My mom taught me how to see the beauty in all things, or how to take something shabby and make it chic. I'm going to share some of the pieces with you, and I hope you like them. And I will let you know where I found them. Now, I think I got one or two pieces, maybe one. I got one piece that I got from Hobby Lobby. And let's start with that, since that's the only one. So, if you see this beautiful angel, this is wrought iron. This is iron. This is heavy. And it was very heavy. I bought this for like $2.50. It is so cute. Look at it. Look at that. Look how cute it is. I hate that I couldn't find two. I love angels. I only bought this one. It was on the 75% off sale, so it was like the last one. So I grabbed it quickly, and I can't wait to put it up. But look how beautiful that is. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, I just love angels. So I thought this would look beautiful in my bedroom. So this is for my bedroom, because you know I'm an angel. Just kidding. I'm not perfect. I remember telling you that. So that was my angel that I got. So the next thing that I got from, let's start with Goodwill. I love tea. I got this cute teapot. It came with a lid, and it has the word tea right there. And so it was so beautiful. Let's see. Oh no, I didn't get this from the thrift store. I got this one from Home Goods. See how I told the story? It was $3 at Home Goods. So I got this one at Home Goods. So that is, and I love the design. So I got the teapot, and the teapot was $3. The next thing that I found on my journey at Goodwill, let's start with Goodwill. I found these two cute baskets. They were 99 cents. I think this will look great in an apartment. Maybe if you're trying to save space, maybe putting your makeup brushes, a holder of some kind. So I'll definitely use this in my dressing room to put my makeup. And this was 99 cents, so I got two. Those are the two that I got. The next beautiful basket that I got from Goodwill. This basket was $1.99, and I really like it because of the design. It was very clean. See how gorgeous that is? So that's a beautiful basket. And I actually use this particular basket in my den. And in my den, I keep my remote. I never can find a remote. The last person looking at the television seemed to let the remote, I don't know, they lose it. I don't know what they do with remotes around here. So I found a remote basket. So I think that is so cute with that design. So look for beautiful baskets with designs that you think that you will like. The next thing, you will not believe this. Now, $1.99. $1.99. I got this. Oh, it is so heavy. Let me pick it up. Look what I found at Goodwill. This particular, oh, it's so gorgeous. It was $1.99. The only thing that was wrong with this, look, it had a tiny little chip. But it was so tiny. I'm like, this is gorgeous. So it has a tiny little, I mean, you can't hardly tell. But soon as I put this in my basket, people were like, oh my gosh, are you going to get that? That's gorgeous. I was like, thank you. But actually, it has shells and little leaves. And it's beautiful. Just beautiful shells of all different sizes and colors. And then it has the little rocks at the bottom. And it's hard. It has like a glass. It's enclosed with glass. It was $1.99. That is gorgeous. It's such a cute piece for a boho, shabby chic design house. So I love it. And what I do with this, so I take this beautiful platter with the natural environment and I place this basket on top, and so I can put my remotes and stuff on here. So that's just how I'm using it now. So I love it. I love it. And I just don't lose anything. And I can just throw my keys or my remotes in there. The next thing I found, you will not believe, everything you will not believe, is this gorgeous basket. And this gorgeous basket has the little balls. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? I walked into Salvation Army. I got this for $5.99. It was a basket, and it came with, for $5.99, the beautiful basket. And it had all of these different types of balls. And they're made of, what is this made of? Is it like, what is this made of? It's like twine, maybe. Some kind of twine, and it's setting on fake moss. You can kind of see that. That's fake moss right inside the basket. And then this is the other little decorate, and I don't even know. This is like some kind of little nuts or corn, something, but it is gorgeous. I don't know if you all have seen a beautiful basket like this, but this is definitely a beautiful piece that I have in the center of my table. $5.99. This is one of my, like, oh my gosh, I couldn't wait to get home to show my family. So that's a basket. I'll set this one right down here. The next thing that I got on my thrift haul is a hanging basket. And the hanging basket was $1.99. So I can kind of hang it up at the top and let my put my flowers. I already have a space for this. I just need to find a hook. So that was $1.99. Okay, that gorgeous basket. The next thing that I bought was a shelf. Now this was probably, no, it's not the most expensive. I guess $5.99 is the most expensive, but it's this little shelf. And of course, you know me, I told you I love painting. I'll be painting this shelf, and this shelf was $3. So I'm going to paint this shelf. It was a $3 shelf I found. And this one was at Salvation Army. That's a shelf I found that I'm very proud of. The next thing I found was very cute and boho. Is this wooden plate holder stand. It's a wooden stand, and it has the iron in the middle. And then you can just kind of put your little things right there. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at the wood. Isn't that gorgeous? It was this clean. And this was $2.99. Love it. Okay. That's the next thing I found is this beautiful bowl. I don't know if you've ever seen a bowl like this, but I'm telling you, this bowl was like, oh my gosh. Everything is oh my gosh. Now this bowl, it actually, I'm gonna put on my glasses because you know I have to have my glasses. So this bowl is from, I think this one was Hawaii. Hawaii, yes. It has Hawaii, and it also has Hawaii is what is on this bowl. So that is gorgeous, right? So I just pretty much have this just sitting on my table. Look at that. That is beautiful wood. Anytime I find anything made of wood, I'm looking. I'm looking because I love wood. The next thing that I found was this boho picture. And actually, it is called boho. This picture actually probably is this one was $5.49. Thing that I am excited about finding is this beautiful, beautiful wall hanging. Now this wall hanging, I'm looking at the price. This one was $5.99. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Look what you can find. And the funniest thing is that when I went to the Goodwill that day, I didn't even go in the morning. The Goodwill I go to, they put out stuff all day. I could not believe I found this. It was $5.49, and I'm actually going to make a basket wall in my bedroom. So this is the very first piece that I found for my basket wall. Okay, that is gorgeous. Look at that. I don't think I'm gonna even do anything. I just cleaned it real good, and I'm gonna make sure I hang it secure on the wall and let this be the center of the basket wall. What do you think? Have anybody seen anything so beautiful? So that is my find for my bedroom. And also I found some of the small little plates. I found about 4 of them, and I'll probably do some colors or some spray paints. I'll be hanging this in my bedroom for my basket wall. The very next thing that I found is my trash can. I found a trash can. Beautiful trash can, and it came with a little liner. I just cleaned it real good, and I put the liner back, and I'm sitting it in my room. It has all those beautiful brown colors that I like. Off-white, brown, the dark brown, the light brown. See, this particular basket was $2.49. So, and I found this one at the Salvation Army. So look for cute little baskets. Okay. Let's see, we almost at the end. I just want to share what I found at the thrift store and how I'm going to make my house just different. Now this is I got 2 more after this. This particular basket was $1.99, and I got this one at the price is still on there, $1.99, if you can kind of see that. But this one I got at Goodwill. So this is also a different type of basket with the weaving. And I will add this. Oh, that's just part of the little basket in the back. See that little burnt piece of weave? Well, it's like it's from real wood, because that's a piece of thin little piece of dark brown, like it came right off the tree. But anyway, I'm going to use this on my basket wall. So if you want beautiful baskets, all you got to do is take your time and look, because I did, and I will continue to look. So the other thing, my daughter Olivia, will you please hand me those? The other piece, now I know I said that the round basket piece was my prized possession, but this, ladies and gentlemen, look at this. Look at this. I'm sorry for the lighting change, but I found this at the Goodwill, and it was $7.99. I found this $7.99. This is dried look at this. This is my prized possession right here. Look. I was so excited to walk over in the Goodwill area where they put out the bigger pieces, and I found all of these dried sticks, tree limbs, curly tree. It was $7.99. I grabbed it. I love it. I thought this was beautiful. I don't know what the original price of this could be in a store, but when I saw this, and I have a tall basket for this to go in my room, I think this is so beautiful, so boho. I really do. I really do. So I think this will be something excellent to look for if you're doing that type of decoration. Look at this. Look how long it is. I am proud. I am. This was a discovery. And if you're wondering, did I get all of this at the same time? No. When I go to the thrift store, I may go once or twice a week, just kind of looking. I found all of these pieces on different occasions, and when I do go, sometimes I don't find anything, but then every now and then I'll go and I'll find something that will just like blow my mind, like, oh my God, look what I got. And of course, this is one of the pieces when you have in your basket that people ask you, are you going to buy that? If you decide not to buy it, let me know. So this is one of those pieces. So when you're at the thrift store, I tell you, if you're not sure that you want it and you may want it, put it in your basket anyway. Then at the end, if you decide you don't want it, then put it back. But you can be sure someone else is looking. They're waiting for you to put it down, and once you put it down, it's anyone's. It's anyone's game. Hey, if they get it, they get it. So this was one of the things I held on to. And so the last thing I got to help decorate my house and bring cheer is this beautiful flower. I don't have a lot of real flowers and plants around the house. So I found this. And I just kind of want to set it on my love yellow. And so I've set it on my desk, and inside I put some of those water beads. And it's just something cute to sit around to have that spot of yellow. Like I have an area over here in my room, and it's like got browns and off-whites. And so I'll set this to have just a spot of color. So don't forget to look in the plant section when you go to the thrift store. I bring it home, I clean it. If I'm going to paint it, I paint it. If not, I'm going to polish it and clean it up, and then I'll make it my piece. So that's what I do. So that is my thrift store find, and I am so excited that you joined me. I'm excited that you watch my channel, and I'm asking you to subscribe to my channel. Come back and see me, because I will have another video. Because remember, this is Sonya Take 247, and I'm doing what I want to do. So make sure you join me next time. Subscribe to my channel or click for notifications. All right, see you next time.